Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is image formation by a concave lens. Dear students, when an object is placed in front of a concave lens, an image is formed. The image is formed at the point where at least two refracted rays meet or appear to meet. A concave lens always forms a virtual, erect and diminished image of the object. The exact position and size of the image would depend upon the position of the object. There are two main positions of an object in case of a concave lens. Case first is when the object lies between optical center and infinity. Dear students, this is a concave lens. This straight line is its principal axis and this center point is its optical center. AB is an object. It is held perpendicular to the principal axis of the lens between optical center and infinity. A ray of light AD starting from top point A of the object falling on the concave lens in a direction parallel to the principal axis of the lens. This AD is an incident ray. It falls on the concave lens in a direction parallel to the principal axis of the lens. This ray diverges along D. It diverges along D. On producing back, it appears to come from focus of the lens. It appears to come from focus of the lens. Another ray of light starting from the same point passes undeviated through the optical center of the lens. It passes straight through the optical center of the lens along AOG. These two refracted rays intersect at A dash. Therefore, A dash is the virtual image of the top point A of the object. We draw A dash B dash perpendicular to the principal axis of the lens. Thus, A dash B dash is the complete image of the object AB, which is placed between optical center and infinity. Dear students, so when the object is held anywhere between the optical center and infinity, the image is formed between the optical center and the principal focus of the lens on the same side of the lens as the object is. The image formed is virtual, it is erect and smaller in size than the object. Case second, when the object is at infinity. In this figure, this is a concave lens and this is its principal axis. This center point is its optical center. Dear students, if we move the object more and more away from the optical center, if we move the object more and more away from this optical center of the concave lens, the image becomes smaller and smaller in size. The image becomes smaller and smaller in size. So, when the object is at infinity, the image is formed at the principal focus of the lens on the same side of the lens as the object is. The image is virtual, it is erect and highly diminished to almost point size. The image formed is virtual, it is erect and highly diminished to almost point size. Dear students, these are the two cases of image formation by a concave lens. Thank you.